Hey people, Aman here. Welcome to the channel. This video is the first very episode of Estudely News. Look forward to more of them. Before we start, I just wanted to let you know our plan is to get to 1000 subscribers. That is our next milestone. So if you are still not subscribed and if you are enjoying the content on the channel, please hit that red button and it just helps me out. And also, just wanted to let you know today's video is sponsored by my own Telegram channel. Okay, so this is the Telegram channel, and I think you all should subscribe to it. It's amazing. We have constant, new tech stuff as well as we reached 256 subscribers on the Telegram channel, so that's amazing. So make sure you are subscribed to the Telegram channel, and let's get along with it. Anyways, so Easternly News will be covering short news stories from all over the tech world which might affect you. So let's just start with our first story, which is massive cyber attack leaks credit card details, passport info of Air India passengers. So if you have ever, since I believe the date is 2010 and before 2021, if you ever traveled using an Air India airplane or booked your tickets through that, your credit card details may be inside the leak. And before that we had a leak for MobiQuick. So people who were inside the leak, make sure you change or maybe you block your card and request a new card from the people. I leave the links in the description and you can read the article for yourself. So it's basically like, guys, be careful of wherever you put your credit card details. So yeah, that's it. Also, in the latest news, Google has announced Android 12 beta. So you can go ahead and check. The new features are more privacy related, as we have seen on the iOS department. The new features on the Google side of the ecosystem, we have new privacy dashboards, we have new material design themes, and just overall quality of life changes in general. The widgets are better this time, if you ask me. Once again, I'll drop the link down for this, and there's a lot of new customization and all that stuff available. You can also check if your device is about or can receive the Android 12 beta update. There's a list of devices here. You can go ahead and check. In other news, Microsoft recently, not exactly recently, but they have this tool known as WinGet. They have been working on it from a really long time, but it was released on the, at least the stable version was released in this week. So you can also go ahead and check this tool as well. Now, for people who have no idea what a WinGet tool is or what's a package manager, it's basically people on Linux. We have something known as apt-get. So people running normal flavors of Linux, maybe Debian, we have this apt-get thing. So you might be using sudo apt-get to get something. People familiar with Python, you have this pip, which is Python's proprietary package manager. So you just, if you need something else, if you need a library or something, all you do is you write pip 3 install and whatever the name of the library you want to install. As well as on Mac OS as well, we have something known as homebrew. So if you just write homebrew and then put down the name of whatever application you want, it could be VLC, it could be Sublime Text, it could be whatever you want. Now finally, the Windows is getting the same treatment. So when you open up a command prompt in Windows, you can now type winget space install and you can install whatever you want. You can install Google Chrome directly, you can install other applications if you want. Now you might be thinking, why do that? Why couldn't we just go to the website and download a tool? Which is correct for proper installation files. When they are given on the website, you can just go to the website and just click download and you can get the setup file. But there are some programs or some files or some installation files where you have to jump through so many hoops, and it's just literally a pain in the butt to actually get going. And also, if you were to update your apps, if you were to actually update your apps, it's super difficult. You have to go and check individually what apps you need to update, and there's just no centralized place. Now Windows does have a centralized app store, but WinGet is probably gonna be better, and it's gonna be arriving on your Windows system in the next few automatic updates. And if you have Windows 10 version 1809 or higher, you're gonna get the tool. If you don't want to wait that long, you can just open up Microsoft Store and you can just search for Windows App Installer. I'll make sure I'll include the link in the description. Moving on, recently a lot of people are talking about cryptocurrency, and I had to tell you guys that yes, you can actually mine your own cryptocurrency. You don't have to invest somewhere, you don't have to do all of that stuff. So I'll just show you myself. Okay, so this is Pi, this is the Pi network. Now you might have heard about it, you might not have, but to just to explain it in a short time, maybe in this video, it's just basically you can mine cryptocurrency just using your phone. Right now I'm on my laptop, but you can use your phone as well. There's a Pi application, and it just keeps on mining. So once you click the mine button for 24 hours, it will continuously mine at whatever rate. Right now it's 0.39 pi per hour, but your rate depends on how many people you have in your list and all that stuff. So yeah, you can do this. Once again, it does not require internet connection for those 24 hours. When you have to click the mine pi button, obviously you will need internet at that point. It's a super well tested and all that stuff. It's like super secure. You don't have to worry about it. There is their website. You can read their white paper. You can click on how pi works and all that stuff. And obviously I need to prove I'm a human. Okay, that worked. Anyways, you can read the entire white paper. It's really detailed. And right now, if you are thinking what's the value of 1 pi, it's 0 rupees. It's $0 at this point. Right now I have like 4,150 pi. But once, the marketplace opens, once the phase 4 is completed, you might get more pi. Also, there is something that you need to know, that once there are more members in the Pi, right now there are more than 18 million. This is just a figure which was announced yesterday on 29th May. Once you reach a certain point, which would be around 100 million, the value, the value you get out of mining, decreases. So right now you can mine at 0.2 pi per hour. When I started before a year, it was 0.49 pi an hour. Now the value is just decreasing more and more. This is to make sure that there is no inflation. Once again, let me know. This is all cryptocurrency stuff. If you want to know more in detail, I might make a video about cryptocurrency. But for now, if you need to get started, you can just go on the Play Store. There is a link in the description. We at Estudely think that the customer, the viewer, the participant should have the choice. So we have two links. The first one is a referral link. If you get into the Pi ecosystem using our link, you will help out the channel. If you do not want to help out the channel for some reason, that's completely fine. There's another link below it. You can use that link and it will work just fine. You will download the application just fine. Okay, it's totally fine. You can use your friend's referral or you can use mine. It's we do not judge. Anyways, so that's it for this segment of the Estudely news. I'm just experimenting, guys. If you find this part interesting, the tech news and all that stuff, let me know. I will put on more effort, obviously, into this, and I'll try to create something which is more coherent and rigorous. So let me know, and thank you for watching.